Hallå allir, velkommen vi kör idag och spela Double 7 First Light aftur, yay. Ja, okej, ja. Það settum við okkur á staðin sem við vildum vera. Ó, já. Upp, jöp. Þeir eru allir að fara dægur, sem ég veit hinga en dó. Næstum dátt á hana.
On. Which way did he go? I blacked out for a second and the son of a bitch was gone. 009. Of course, it was a bloody suicide mission. He used himself as bait to get to me and now... There! That's him!
Kon ég fucking asshole, gaur? Engin með vinnu minni, ég þekkti það ekki eins og það lengi en veist. Ok, þetta að stela bíl. Ég held að sé fíla. Ó, ég sagði Eternally, ég veit hvað gerist.
Looking for these?
Já, það sami konan.
Hold on.
Hann var látt byggjöldan. Oh shit, ég var kærum.
Just who the hell are you?
Not now. Eyes on the road.
Það mjög erfitt að hafa hérna.
Look out.
Oh fuck, oh my god.
Fences, watch it.
Næstum klæst í þá, en ég held að það sé alveg fínulega. Come on. Oh my god, hann spýta svo mikið. Hann er svo hraður. Já, hvað heldur ég var? Já, þarna löggan.
Hold tight.
Já, bíllinn er smá brotinn, en ég held að sé fínulega. Fuck!
What's your interest in 009?
Becca didn't spend his fugitive years on a golf course. That's what he said. TGAC has been hunting him for a long time. This is the closest we've ever gotten, and I'm not letting him slip through my fingers now.
Sounds like we have a conflict of interest.
How about we burn that bridge when we get to it?
Fine by me.
Svo hún er í brunnsgáu af MI6.
Pull over.
Fuck! Ég ætla að passa bílinn hans.
No sign of 009.
Hann augljóslega
Plenty of his friends, though. I'm not loving the odds.
I've had worse.
Well, in that case,
við höfum byssu finally,
get
gaur.
down there, draw their fire. I'll find them. I'll find them. I'll find them. We need to keep that plane on the ground.
Well, what are we waiting for?
Where's that English sang-froid? Bonne chance, James.
Ég get ekki skjóta byssuna. Come on, gaur. Ég vil fucking... Þessu plane, oh my god, það er að fara.
Lift off now!
You were warned.
Ó, shit, kannski ef ég fara fyrir aftan. Come on! Bah!
Got me!
Come on, ekki deyja núna. Nei. Ó. Hvað gerist? Ég held ég var alltaf hægur og bara spilaði cutscene. Oh shit.
Talk about winging it.
Okay, Bones. Okay, good. Oh my god. Oh, come on, girl. Þú sökkur einhvern. Jesus. Auga mín. Æ, skynja.
Plane's flying dark. It's all up to me. Think.
Oh, ég can nota mér. Oh no. Holy shit. Hver dó? Ég veit að hingað enda og ég man ekki nafn hans.
James, the service is over.
Ó, hún hans lefandi, en hver þá hinir?
Sorry to intrude.
I'm Sir Nicholas Webb, AI pioneer, national security advisor and CEO of
AI
Webb
pioneer.
I was going to say, I'm sorry for your loss.
Hann
Secretary
vondi
Bright
kallinn.
informed me of what happened. I'm sure you did
100%.
all you could.
So much for the Secret Service.
As the creator of Thea, I'm privy to certain information. I know all about your exploits in Iceland.
Þetta hér ekki fucking Ísland. Eins og sótt að segja þessi Ísland. James Bond springur heila fucking Ísland. Og Ísland ekki bara eitthvað random eyja með stórt eldfjall. Það með fucking bæjar. What? Impressive. Wow.
Why did you do it? If I may ask. Risk your life on a 1,000,000 to 1 chance?
I couldn't do nothing.
Wait.
Going
What?
private sector already?
You tell me.
Come on. M wants us back at MI6.
Gæði, við erum... Hvernig elskunni James Bond eini sem ekki meiddur og hann var svona beint hjá bombunni.
Take a seat. Hold all calls to my direct line. However, it's not all bad. Thanks to Bond's quick thinking and your eye for detail, Greenway, Thea's managed to pin down 009's whereabouts. I'm sending you to Mauritania to bring him back any way you see fit.
I have a few ideas.
Need I state the obvious? He is not ready. I am perfectly capable of handling this.
You open that for me.
Oh.
Right. Greenway will take point. Bond, you will do as you're told. This is our one shot at calming things down, and I need you two to work together. Am I being clear?
Perfectly, Mom.
Bond, you go and see Q for your gear
Þetta
and
er
Moneypenny
ekki
for your
bara
briefing.
virkanir.
You're dismissed.
Okay,
Happy to
bro.
help.
Eitt að flexa á hann.
Insufferable and immature behavior I'm talking about. And this will not...
Don't you have somewhere you need to be, Bond?
Right.
Hann er bara að hlusta á það. Af hverju er svo f***ing ægu? Luftu maður, ég veit þetta er byggingin, luftu.
Ah. Good to see you. Walk with me.
I missed you at the service.
Yes, I kept to the back. Never did like funerals. All that black. Hell of a thing, what happened. I'm so sorry you must carry it with you. Quite clever, what you did back on the plane. How did you know the watch had a tracker?
That's the 21st century, Q. My toaster has a tracker.
Fair point. And I assume you've worked out
Okay.
how to switch it off as well.
Well, time will tell.
I thought as much. Oh, and Bond, one more thing. Your new earpiece. Bone conductive microphone. You attach it directly to the skin, ultra thin, virtually undetectable.
En svo allir hinni, þeir voru ekki svo náður sprengjuna en ég var svona við það og ég er eins og ég er ekki döður. En allir hinnir, þeir eru meiddir eða döður, svo, what?
Pretty tense out there.
A diplomatic crisis will do that. Today was rough. How are you holding up?
You needed to show me something. Who's the lady?
Oh, you don't recognize Agent Roth?
Any match on the blonde twins?
Nico and Tero Murto. Assassin duo from Tampere, Finland. Highly adept at unarmed combat, improvisation, and social infiltration. These are ruthless operators, James. Ice-cold killers.
I know. I was there. Listen,
They'll be keeping her in an artificial coma until the brain swelling is under control. She's not out of the woods yet, but doctors are cautiously optimistic.
and that?
Gone to grounds. Didn't even report him for debrief. He'll resurface once he's ready, but if he doesn't want to be found, I strongly suspect we won't.
Did you manage to ID the marks I fought at the airfield?
We did. They're all independent contractors. Usual suspects from the global PMC circuit. They'll work for anybody with a thick enough wallet. July, you have got your work cut out for you. Greenway. Perfect timing. 009. After he escaped Slovakia, we tracked Bond's watch to a field outside of the Syrian village, Jab al-Uthman, where the unregistered cargo plane was abandoned. A wide Thayer sweep picked up his trail 36 hours later in the Turkish province of Şanlıurfa. 2 of the chartered private jets to the Pirate King, Bavma. Yes, you heard me right. Pirate King.
And? What do we have on this Bavma?
Abducted by militants at the age of 10, along with his little sister. Trained as a child soldier until age 12, when Bavma turned on his captors, killing 5 and escaping. Spent half a decade looking for his sister, to no avail. At age 17, he entered the world of piracy. For the next 2 decades, he rose like a shooting star, turning random endeavors into a well-organized international business empire. All culminating in Mauritania, when he claimed a ship graveyard as his kingdom.
Aleph. That's the main black market hub on the African continent. Major League weapons bazaar, if I'm not mistaken.
Indeed. And with the clientele to match, Aleph is a cesspool of military and PMC personnel. Where he's been hiding all along. Go to Aleph. Find 009 and bring him back. Everything depends on your success.
Við erum bara út í raskati, vá. Ég var fann. Wow. Mjög mörg skip.
How do you want to play this once we're inside?
009 is bound to be paranoid. That makes him dangerous. He's expecting us to make a move after Slovakia.
Well, if not us, somebody else.
Correct. He'll be ready, so must we. But to answer your question, once we get inside, we need to get some face time with Bavma. He's the one who'll lead us to 009.
Not getting past that.
Take a right.
And if Bavma isn't an option,
I'll let you know.
I know you don't want me here. And I know what you think of me.
You do.
Insufferable, immature. Ring any bells?
So you were listening back at Eris. It's the first time
Ja.
for everything, hey Bond?
Oh. Já, en þú sagði á minn ég var að fara út svo ég held. Doesn't know shit í staðinu. Past never dies. Bah! So mörg sólabrúnar, wow.
You owe me a chance.
Why?
If I hadn't followed my hunch back in Slovakia, more people would have died. We both know that. So stop trying to cut me off at the knees every chance you get.
I'll think about it.
Hann hattar mig. Oh, jag ska bli. Mun það ekki strax þekkja Greenway?
Heads up. Bavma's heli is inbound.
Copy that, Moneypenny. Heading inside.
Stop touching your ear.
What?
I said, stop touching your bloody ear.
وجدته سليما عند عودته فسأدعي كل مبلغ
Yes, boss.
Simon.
Impressive. What kind of security can we expect?
We'll have eyes on us, no doubt. Locals, dealers, Bavma's men. Try not to draw attention to yourself.
Me? Never.
Oh.
Out the way, creep boy.
Ég held einhverju upp krosshuga.
You deaf, tourist. We said
Easy. Not looking for trouble.
well, you found it, asshole. Get him.
God.
They must have been the undercard. You know, you could make money with those feasts in Aleph.
I'll bear that in mind if the day.
What are you looking
And
at?
how's not drawing attention to yourself working out?
You started it.
Market's this way.
Þetta er ég bara gæi að reyna að labba svo þessi gæi bara hei, ég vil bara kýla þetta yfir höfðum þig.
What are you looking at?
Ég er ekki svona að horfa á þig. Augun mín. Oh,
This is a left.
The cesspool of the Sahara.
Bet they don't put that in the guidebook.
We're in the lion's den, Bond. Everyone here is a threat, so watch your back.
Svo það svona
Up there.
People on the left, hear me. Our existence, all we have asked in exchange for your protection and a place at our table is but a small token of appreciation. Tariq here does not agree with that sentiment. He believes he should not have to pay his share, and for that, he must be punished.
Þetta
Ég ætla að dröfu.
Nei, please ekki dröfu. Please. Please. Oh, please ekki.
He tells me there's a child. A girl. He fears for her life. She needs medication. The expensive kind. That is where his contributions went. Our protection is for the care of everyone, in our great city of steel and sand. Is it not? Men, women, and the children. What kind of monsters would we be if we denied this child the care she requires?
Þetta ekki rödd sem ég alltaf
What kind of man would he be if he did not fight for her care? He would be no kind of man at all. Let it be known that while in the bosom of Aleph,
Ykkur getur bara skjót. Það fullt af vondarinn hér svo í stæmun. Ég lesa rúmund bara einhverju skalan af haust. Jésús minn. Já, ég glaði þér ekki að sína.
bring it to the girls.
Trouble in paradise. Well, you know what they say about paradise, Bond. Watch out for the snakes. Watching that performance, I think it's clear Ali is our man. Shouldn't take too much to twist his arms.
Go twist it. In a real rush.
Go and have a word with Bavma's men. Try and get us an audience with Ali.
You had Bavma. He wasn't stealing from us. Stories at 12 o'clock. Here for the auction?
Yes.
Invitation and 100K.
Not a cheap date, are you? What do I need 100 grand for?
Best timer? Of course you are. It gets you through the door and into the auction.
I'll be back.
I am sure you will.
Need to get that 100 grand first.
That was insane. You wrecked those guys. Like total surgical violence.
Get up, boys. I'll see myself out.
Keeping a low profile?
Yeah, needed to work out. Just a little short of pretending I belong in that auction.
Bond.
100,000. Cash.
Bavma thanks you for your contribution. Go on through.
Jo, ég veit en ég get ekki hreim. Oh my god. Þessi stæður sökkar.
Take a look at those markings.
Serbian. You weren't kidding when you said Bavma's connections ran deep.
That's why MI6 continues to let him operate. Here we go.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Have a seat and get comfortable so we can begin the auction. While some of you have been here before, I see some fresh faces amongst our buyers. So, humor me while I go over our simple yet strict rules. 1. All bids must pass through the polygraph. 2. Should you fail the polygraph, you will be removed from the auction and forbidden to enter Aleph again.
Well, at least we know what the polygraph is for.
Lastly, bids are bound by blood. There are no retractions. Now, a quick technical trial. Place your hand on the polygraph machine in front of you. The truth, if you please, Miss Bakhan.
मुझे उस आदमी से घृणा है बस उसे कह दो मुझे ड्रोन चाहिए
Your turn, Mr. Konyevich.
I am Nikola Konyevich.
Good. Mr. Leung, if you please.
Zhang Leung. I represent the Three Storms clan.
And now to one of our newer faces. Go ahead, please, Mr.
Easy now.
Call me James. I'm just here for the hors d'oeuvres and free drinks.
Dial it down.
Excellent. To beat them.
Sabotage the next offer.
You read my mind.
I offer the next election in Mauritania. The ruling seat will be delivered and gift-wrapped. I also offer 4 European Union ambassadors, all of which have been compromised, of course.
Well, that hasn't happened in quite some time.
What is this? Something's wrong with this thing.
And Mr. Leung, I'm very surprised. You may leave.
Time to go, Mr. Lee.
Hvað, ætlum við að láta okkar vera svona satt og einu svona crazy?
Once.
Now's your chance.
Going twice. Anyone?
Bond. 2 long-distance missile strikes. Coordinates provided to us by sunrise, packages delivered by sunset. To anywhere on the planet.
Now that is what I call a wonderful offer. The floor remains open, though the bar has certainly been raised. Surely someone has something to offer.
आज से
From this
मेरे
day
सैनिकों
forward,
का हर
every
हथियार,
weapon used by my soldiers,
drone,
be it a
artillery,
rifle, drone,
सिर्फ
or
बावमा के हाथों
artillery,
से आएगा.
will come only from the
Exclusive
hands of
contract,
Buff.
unlimited volume.
Exclusive contract with unlimited volume.
I like it. Going once. Going twice.
We're out of time.
3 decades of MI6 intel.
Oof.
Always do the unexpected, right?
Interesting. How do you propose delivering this intelligence?
By giving you him.
It would appear the honeymoon is over. One TX-1000 Marauder drone sold to the boldest and newest buyer in the room.
Bond, I swear to...
Thank you, everyone. Enjoy the rest of your stay here in LF. Congratulations on your purchase, gentlemen. One of my men will be with you shortly to settle the bill.
The Englishman. Where is he?
You'll need to be a little more specific than that.
The ex-spy Bavma's hiding. Where is he?
Look around. You have no power here.
Já,
That man murdered 3 of our agents in cold blood. Bavma broke the rules. He's finished. Your king's reign is over.
Nice try.
Pay attention, Picard. You only have one choice to make here. You can stay with Bavma, but you'll go down with him and you'll watch as we turn this whole place to dust. Or you could take the throne, and our superiors will continue to turn a blind eye to all that goes on here. Or don't you want to be king?
Throw in box seats at the menu and we have a deal.
Stretford End? Best we can do.
We both know that's not true.
Fine. Done.
Well, it appears you have some sway after all. You coming?
Okay. Tower. Já, það er svona blátt. Hluti sem maður getur klirft á og hluti sem maður getur ekki klirfa á. Það gefur þér
I'm on board.
Almost there.
Easy does it. We don't know what could be waiting for us. Watch your step. He has the place booby-trapped.
Of course he has.
Ég sá þetta ekki einu sinni. Oh. Beint þarna.
Another booby trap here.
Já, plísaði mig. Svo líka gæti ég bara... Já, ok. Hver er svo mikið
Not going that way.
Jongens, gidek bara. Oj. Bara til að prófa. Það þessi hólur, ok.
Indeed. Looks just like his allotment back in Richmond.
Think he's in there?
Let's find out. Get the door. If it comes to it, do not hesitate to put him down. On you.
What? Hann ekki döður. Þetta fake.
All clear. Gone. An hour ago, maybe less.
Christ.
Gut shot. Bled out slowly while they worked him over.
Why not just shoot him and be done? Why the mess?
Well, clearly they were trying to make a point.
There's something in his mouth.
Ugh.
Diamonds.
Fakes. Oh, you must have really rubbed someone up the wrong way. Take a look around. See if we can figure out what transpired between
Nobody lives
009
forever,
and his
fine.
uninvited
009.
house guests.
It really
Hann
was
bara kom into mig, yo.
He really pissed someone off.
Get ekki spekt hana.
What did you get yourself into, Beckett?
How did you know the diamonds were fake?
The circular dot reflected inside the stone. It's a dead giveaway. Knowing how to spot fakes can get you out of a tight spot. You'll master it with time and experience. Could have got
Blueprints of the Grand Carpathian. He knew where to place the bombs.
and inflict maximum damage.
For the agency. I think it's safe to say he had a bit of a thing for you.
Clearly.
A photograph of Greenway with eyes gouged out and crudely
What do you call this?
I call it a picture of you.
A photograph of Bond appears to have been taken very Photo of Bond appears to have taken very recently.
Were you close?
I thought we were.
Wait, there's a note. It says, remember this.
That was Operation Spyglass.
Operation Spyglass. The telescope in the other room. This can't be a coincidence. What about the symbol? Recognize it?
No. We have everything we need. Let's go.
He had eyes on the apartment.
He had eyes everywhere from the look of it.
I think he wants us to see something. The telescope. I need to go and take a look. And that symbol on the back of the picture has to be out there. Not the right logo.
You shall.
Bingo. The marking on the back of this picture of you and him matches the logo on that ship out there. That's where he wants us to go.
He's dead, Bond. His own men killed him because he got greedy. Case closed, job done. I'm really not interested in going sightseeing in the arsehole of nowhere.
Only you would have made the connection to Operation Spyglass. Dead as he is, he's telling us something. We'll never know if we don't take a look.
Fine. but don't be surprised if this is nothing more than a ruse to finish off what he started in Slovakia.
Only one way to find out.
Oh!
Housekeeping, I presume?
Ja, ég över snúin. Sá strax út af hárið mitt. Hvað, ætlaði að láta okkur berjast móti ykkur en eða?
So fast.
Oh!
Sometimes ask, Bafma, how is it that you hear every whisper in every corner of Aleph? And I answer, I built Aleph with my will, my blood, my whole self. This city is an extension of my being, my body. Today, it became infected. And as we all know, if an infection is left untreated, the body can become rotten, sicken, and die. That infection? Greed.
Oh, shit.
In Bakar Ali, once so loyal, greed grew unchecked, becoming a cancer. A cancer that threatened to weaken Aleph, endangering all of us, everything we had built. However, cancer, if caught early, can be cured. Or in our case, cut out and served on a platter. Easy girls, plenty of meat for everyone.
Þetta eru stelpunar.
Girls. Of course.
Já, þetta konar mér stelpuna. Ég var svona, what the fuck?
Our old friend was just the appetizer. Did you really believe you could come here and poison Aleph's well of trust? I think not. Now, you die.
Við erum ekki verið að deyja, ok? Ok, ég held að myndi bara droppa vörun.
Bafma, we're MI6. You've been harboring a terrorist wanted for high treason and a bombing in Slovakia that killed a lot of civilians and our agents.
No! A real terrorist. Here in our great city? The only terrorists in our home are the two of you.
MI6 knows we're here. You kill us, it'll be the end of Aleph as you know it.
You are a funny man.
Greenway, back me up here. Great. Just great. Of course he's out cold.
Into the pit with them.
Oh, for Christ's sake, Greenway, wake up!
Wait. This conversation bores me. Drop them. And let us watch the sand run red.
Oh, come on! Come on! Wake up, Greenway! What the hell have you gotten us into? Little help, please. Thinking. Think faster. Harmony.
Know that if this is an attempt at deceiving me, I will erase your entire bloodline. Now, one more time.
Harmony. We know where she is. We have a location.
Get them out of there! Now!
Assistance.
Good luck out there. I hope you two find what you're looking for.
Get in. You're driving. Turned his back on king and country.
Help me with this.
Ja, ég veit ekki alveg.
Talk about being paranoid.
Didn't do him any good. Take a look through those crates.
Man puts doomsday preppers to shame.
Red kidney beans. Kannski eitthvað fara að gerast þetta.
Don't. This right here is a good old-fashioned self-destruct case from Q Branch. You listen to me very carefully. This might save your life one day. Disarm the triggering mechanism, take a hold of these catches on either side. Now turn them until they're horizontal at the same time.
Yes, your evidence, Greenway.
What is it?
009. Looks like he wasn't the culprit.
Oh my god.
He was the target.
What was that?
It's the other shoe. We were followed. Bond, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
We got company coming. A lot of it.
Crashing.
I'll go and have a word then.
Down!
Anyone have eyes on him?
Já, en það virkar. Oh shit.
Oh, that was close.
Second.
What?
Gear.
Third. Fourth.
I said 4.
Þetta eru þeir. Og þeir fara að taka. Greenway? Oh shit. Dumb ass.
The evidence. Explosive stuff.
What do we use now? Harsh language?
Give it a shot.
Any last words?
No.
Nothing. Not even a good job, Bond. You would have made a great 00.
Nothing springs to mind.
Of course not.
Segðu bara, ó. Fargist. Oh yeah.
We're done here. Fall back. Fall back!
Trigger Mortis. Oh.
Well, that's that.
Well, what happened?
Well, what do you think happened? 009 did it, his muscle killed him, end of story.
You can't be serious after what we found.
We have no evidence, Bond. M needs an open and shut case.
So what's our next move?
Our next move? Is to go home, Bond.
Oh.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Go home. How are you okay with this?
That's the beauty of orders. You don't have to like them. You can drop me off at my local, the Crosshairs. It's...
Yeah, I know where it is. You realize the mercenaries I fought at the airfield were not 009's men. They were there to intercept him, and they would have if I hadn't gotten in the way. Somehow, these people beat us to him twice, and we are the only ones who believe they even exist.
Take a breath, Bond. This is a job. You let it get inside, it will eat you alive.
It's unbelievable.
I'm serious. Get out of town for a few days. Blow off some steam. This is me. Try to get some sleep.
It's like the simulator.
I figured you'd be drowning your sorrows right about now.
Who says I'm not?
I know what a pub sounds like, James. In fact, I'm on my way to one right now. Got a date?
We're going out. We just put 3 agents in the ground.
That doesn't give you permission to stop living.
M's making a mistake. She needs to issue a full-scale mole hunt, top to bottom. If there's a breach...
We'll find it. Why do you think she sent everyone home? MI6 aren't idiots, James. We managed just fine before you came along.
You sound like Greenway.
Just go home. Go for a run. Shake it off. Tomorrow's a new day.
Shoes, Monroe.
Oh, Monroe, það er nafn hans. Já. Og ég þarf sko.
I'll get it this time, mate.
Hvað var Monroe? Var hann hér?
To whom it may concern, they're gone because of my mistakes. I could have stopped it, but I failed. It should have been me. James Bond. Well, this can't be good. James Bond, I presume.
No.
You brought a friend.
Took you long enough. Did the little runt give you a run for your money? Who do you work for? What do you know about Mauritania? Is there a mole at MI6? I'll ask again. Who do you work for? Take the shot.
They're full on fire explode.
Get onto the balcony.
Skæru alveg. Ellers kunne ingen høre det.
Let's go home. Go
Go for a run. Shake it. I'm gonna be climbing that thing, aren't I?
En samt eins og hvernig fundu þau húsi? Það er eins og þau voru alltaf.
Faster, James. Faster.
Oh my.
Come on. Bloody thing. This qualifies as an emergency.
Við liðum af. Löggan núna kemur löggan, okay.
James, this had better be...
It is. Someone just tried to kill me.
Say again?
At the apartment, I took his phone. I need you to trace a text.
What? I can't. Well, I'm on a date. And you're suspended. You'll need to report this to HQ. Go through the proper channels.
It's the twins. We don't have time for protocol.
The Murtos? Operating in central London.
If I lose the trail, we'll never know who they're working for. Please, Moneypenny.
Hvað vill Life hér? Francesca dýra.
What kind of phone?
Are you sure this is the place?
Positive. The signal's coming from inside the Works and Arts Museum.
There's an event. The Webb Industries Anniversary Gala.
Webb Gala's tonight? How did I miss that? James, if Webb is a target, we can't sit on this. I need to issue an alert.
Don't. He'll only slip away again. I need time.
Be quick about it. I've updated your watch tracker. See if you can't get a closer fix on the signal. And James...
I'll be careful.
No, you won't. Just don't screw up.
Já. Ég meina... Það eiginlega farvalega. Passa ekki að...
Sir, this is strictly an invitation-only event.
Svo hér er það fínt, en hér, oh my god.
I know.
Oh, well, then the gala's down the hall. Enjoy.
Now, who has my invitation?
Of course I brought it. You reminded me 3 times at the house and twice on the way. How could I not remember?
Because lately I find myself constantly having to remind you about things, that's why.
It's called selective hearing, my dear.
Don't be such a grump.
What?
It'll be put to good use. Don't you worry.
Yes, ma'am. In the main hall, directly behind me. Just have your invitation ready for my colleague at the entrance. Is there somewhere I can use my jacket for the night? Refusal to revolt.
Mm. 125. Þetta okkur leikur með svo lagi. Það eru svo margir. Hvað er þessi tún, sólin? Ó. Ég þarf að... Hver er hans á ballstað?
On me. Didn't see it. He binned the phone.
course he did.
Tell me your course.
Hver tókst það svo?
It looks like CCTV did. If I access the camera feed, can you locate him?
You'd have to patch me directly into the CCTV network terminal. Go to the security room. It's first floor, east wing. Staff offices.
Got it.
Sorry, miss, but this man can't go upstairs.
Relax, fellas. He's with me.
You say so.
I read your articles in Crux magazine on rogue AI and cognitive warfare.
Sir Nicholas here yet?
En route. Any pushback from museum security?
Sir, this area's off limits.
MI6, we have a potential security threat. I need access to the CCTV feed, and I need it now.
Right. Sure you are. Listen, son. My name is Simon, and Simon says, go back to the gala, have yourself a glass of bubbles, and try not to worry that pretty little head of yours. We've got everything under control here tonight.
And so...
Moneypenny, I'm at the terminal.
Hang on. Just need someplace quiet.
Bollocks, I don't have the password.
People are lazy. They probably put it on a post-it note. Have a look around.
People really should be more careful.
Password 12.
What did I tell you? Now, patch me in.
Logging in now. There. I'm in.
Já, þetta lítur út eins og
Pull off footage. Here's your man.
So much for 2 birds, 1 stone. Do you have a location?
Basement archives. Not the worst place to lay low.
Hann fara kýla með Exodus. Keep out. Þetta það sem hann með stable. Geir, nei, þetta bara bossbot, ok. Ljósin að slökkva. Ja, shit. Hann veit hvað þú ert, hann fyrir að vera fyrir aftur þig. Hann fyrir að vera fyrir aftur þig. Oh, shit. Hann með lagt hann. No, okay, ég bara með mig svona yfir.
Must be something I can use to get to him.
Þetta kannski.
Bingo. Now to put him down for good.
Hvað gerir hún bara? Ég gerði allt þetta bara fyrir hann til þess að fara. Ó, hann var ekki með skotfæri. Ítt hann dýpra, come on, ekki.
That was for Monroe.
Awaiting authorization from Webb. Understood. He's just an old geezer. Are you sure we brought enough men? He's tougher than he looks. Proceed with caution. His arm's in a sling. I think we can manage.
Greenway. Moneypenny, it's Webb. The Murtaughs are working for Nicholas bloody Webb. He's behind everything.
James, that's just not...
I know what I heard. I need to get a hold of Greenway. He's next.
Already tried. He's off the grid. James, we are in over our heads. We need to inform M.
No time. I'm going after him. Make him call off the attack.
Are you out of your mind? Nicholas Webb is one of the most powerful men in Britain. Let's think this through.
What about Murtaugh's earpiece? If I patch you in, can you trace the second attack team?
It does look like it's transmitting a geolocation signal to a device inside the building.
It has to be Webb.
Hvað með Æjuundaræktu var mjög smart fólk að nota tölvur?
Not a chance. But I can use your watch as a data extraction tool. You just get close to Webb and I'll handle the rest. I only need a few minutes to update the software.
Museum door inspector. This one didn't pass.
Yeah, museum door inspector.
Where are you, Webb?
Manipulator.
Inconvenient time. I must say, you look astonishing for your age, Agent Roth. Hardly a day over 50.
Would you expect an apology?
How about an explanation?
Later. Just play along.
Damien!
I hope I'm not interrupting anything.
You're not. Damien, meet Mr. Beach, was it?
Bond. James Bond.
What do you do, James?
Lately, headhunting.
Oh dear. I do hope you're not plotting on stealing Isola here. I took such trouble in hiring her. She really is rather brilliant. Quite the catch.
I'm not making any promises.
What do you know? I'm out. Excuse me, gentlemen.
I'd be careful with this one, James. Dare I say, out of your league.
Your attention, please.
Hold this, Danny.
Kindly make your way to the main stairs.
Well, tonight we celebrate the history of
Skjóta hann með svona sickness shit, okay? $5 billion.
For more than a century,
$1 trillion.
Webb Industries has pushed for a better, safer future.
It's done. I've updated your watch. The hack starts automatically when you're within 3 feet of the target.
On it.
And yet I want us to
Excuse
aim
me.
higher.
Coming through.
Watch it. It's not
I
a
believe
concept.
technology
Sorry.
has the power to elevate
Man kan
the
ju vara fokuserad.
fog of our sapient brains and
James,
into
what's
a
wrong?
more gracious
Talk to me.
and enlightened.
What?
What happened? I think he just collapsed. Security!
Security, I've got like security, no. They...
Hello, signs clear the cobwebs. Webb wants you lucid.
I see you wasted no time. No, she wasted mine. Someone trained her well.
How did you allow her to get this close? And what is he doing here? You know I handle MI6.
They were onto us, and I didn't think that we had time for your back-channeling.
That is precisely the problem. You don't think.
Careful. Careful. You know how I get farther.
Enough, Damien.
Yes, well, alas. There's no time to backpedal now. The ball is rolling. I have a full strike team on Greenway. He is as good as dead.
Oh.
Fine. Now, clean up your mess. It needn't have come to this. And I'm truly sorry.
Well, it's only cold-blooded murder. Don't beat yourself up about it.
En hún frá Frakland, ég veit ekki af hverju. Ja, jú, så... Hvað er þessi
Very well. You heard, man.
Nei. Slökka ljósið. Ok, já, skín eiga mín, takk fyrir.
This is going to be the end of a very short career.
Gauði, já.
Never accept a drink from a stranger. I guess they didn't teach you that in that little spy school of yours. One for the road.
Holy dog.
I do hope he doesn't shoot the messenger.
I'd just be grateful that I don't have his patience or his anatomical know-how. James, are we just about done here? Because my champagne is getting flat.
MI6 has the place surrounded. They've heard every word you said.
Have they? Now you're just stalling. Are you waiting for your mentor to save you? Because, believe me, he has his own problems. Well, that's that.
I have to ask, do you often let your father scold you like a petulant child?
Oh, you wanna fuck that, you're good.
Oh, James. Now you're just trying to get a rise out of me. Have it your way.
Nej, byrju, 100. Okej, þarna, takk fyrir.
That was invigorating. Thank you.
Og það gefur ég skýtum hinn. Moves.
Can you walk?
Well, let's find out.
We'll have company soon. I don't suppose you have an exit strategy?
Well, this wasn't exactly a planned visit.
Figured as much.
So what do I call you? I bet Isla isn't your real name either.
Please. It's not like yours is James Bond.
Of course not.
Yeah, gentlemen.
Don't get used to it. Now pull me up.
No time, someone's coming. Hide.
My fault. Ég þarf alltaf að byrja að kýla fólk. Hver er það?
Don't know the half of it.
Two gæðar.
Just issued a code white.
Two gæðar? Hæ? 12 fucking gæðar? Hæ? Bíl. Escape. Ah ja, det öppnade dörren.
James, what happened?
I got it wrong. It isn't Sir Nicholas controlling the kill team. It's his lunatic son. I barely escaped. Tell me your plan worked.
I'm processing. Piggybacking the signal, tracing their course. But we find the kill team, we find Greenway. Where are you now?
I'm about to be swarmed by trigger-happy mercenaries. I need a way out of the museum.
Already on it.
He snatched his gun!
James, I have the coordinates. Transmitting now.
Moneypenny, you're a lifesaver. Where's your date?
Anywhere but here. His words.
His loss.
I've got the address. You'll need a ride.
Hold on. Almost out.
En så kommer inte folk just ute. Vad sa du?
James? James, what's happening?
Mischievous.
Is that shooting? Are you alright?
I'll let you know in a minute.
Jag räcker med pyssemina.
Jesus Christ!
Not quite. Keys, where are they?
In the cab!
Thanks.
It sticks in second!
Ah, du får trollen.
Don't worry. I'll take good care of that.
Du. Oh. Good. What did it? Boom. Alright. Oh shit. Boom. Oh. Vad är det? Ja. You couldn't look good.
Now, where were we?
Christ, half of Kensington would have heard that. Did you get a car?
And then some.
Then what are you talking to me for? Get a move on.
Yes, Mom.
Thought I told you to go home.
I needed some fresh air.
Clearly. And did you figure out who's been trying to kill us?
Webb.
So you understand what we need to do next. Off we go.
Jag bräckte något mycket shit, så.
Gentlemen, I've breached the Webb Industries database, and as of this moment, you're both upper middle management. I'm sure you'll blend right in. Your IDs will only take you as far as the executive floors, and that's where the real challenge begins. Your final destination is an impregnable, self-contained structure atop the main building known as the Perch. I believe this is where the company stores its data.
Code White. Webb's deleting all the evidence.
What can you tell us about the Perch?
That's just it. The place is an information black hole. No blueprints, no infrastructure, nothing. Have I mentioned that this is a terrible idea? I need to notify M.
Negative. M is need to know only. Her protection, not ours.
Chin up, Moneypenny. We're not leaving without answers.
Play it cool.
Always.
Evening. Perch bound, I assume.
Burning the midnight oil. You work at the Perch?
Yes, I can.
All departments. Roger Finch. chief legal officer.
Þessi gæði er ekki fucking chief legal officer.
Network engineers. We've been called in to help out with the Code White.
Huh? I handle all Purge employment contracts personally. I don't recall seeing you before.
Story of my life.
I see. You must work closely with Danvers. How's he doing? Haven't seen him all week.
Getting by.
Really? I think he was over the moon, newly married and all.
That won't last. Call me a cynic.
Will you deal with this clod, or should I?
I got this.
Say, I didn't catch your name.
It's Jones.
Right. And your company ID number?
I'm between ID numbers, tech issues. IT is sorting me out.
Let me get this straight.
Oh, já. Frönsk konan, já.
You should really stop meeting like this.
You blew my cover. I had to advance my schedule.
I admire your commitment.
You're only as good as your last job.
Give me one reason why we shouldn't feed you to security.
First, there's only 2 of you, and second, I can get you into the Purge.
Pass. Once bitten.
What's the play?
Spend my time on the cover working out a loophole in security, but I'm not gonna lie, it's a bit involved. I could use a helping hand. Or 3.
Go on.
Time is of the essence. James, get up to the penthouse. Old-timer with me. I'll explain on the way.
Ja, ég er að fight tegen hem.
First things first, James, you'll need to raise the stairs to the penthouse. There's an access panel near the base. It may be offline.
I'll figure it out. So, you mentioned a plan.
Accessing the Purge requires a level 5 security clearance, which I don't have. But I can trigger a system reboot, which will temporarily unlock the gates.
And what do I do?
Go to the CCTV room on 29th, kill the feeds, clear us a path. That will infiltrate the mainframe and trigger the procedure. But I need the command code which Sir Nicholas keeps in a safe in his office. That's you, James.
Should have brought my drill bits. And exactly how are you planning to be in 3 places at once?
What can I say? I work well under pressure.
The command code is Basilisk.
You make a fine sidekick, James. Now cover your tracks and get ready to move. I'm activating the security over.
Gather the team. You're leaving tonight.
Ég vissi þetta myndi gæska.
Right now.
I'll see you off.
Just need something from my desk. I bet Damien just walked in.
Careful, James. Damien will kill you as soon as look at you. Stay hidden and don't try anything.
This operation is critical. Like it or not, we're in the spotlight now. Pull one thread and it all unravels.
Bond, try to get closer. I'll use the feed from your mic to try and record what they're saying. Maybe we'll get lucky.
Stay hidden, move closer. Bit of an oxymoron.
And what about our tenacious friend? This may be hard for someone like you to comprehend, but I deal with threats using appropriate means and force. I would expect so. Human nature is nothing if not predictable.
Bond.
They're gone. You get all that?
No, it's too vague. We can't use it. And now you only have 4 minutes. You'll never make it.
Yes, you will. I'll guide you.
Straight off a cliff, probably.
Just shut up and go, now.
I'm locked in.
Hold on. There's supposed to be an escape passage. Look for a hidden switch, somewhere on Webb's desk.
Found it.
Wow, like his son.
Hey, just
barely standing.
Good. Good.
James, they suspect something. The bridge is starting to retract. You have 30 seconds.
Just what I need.
James, above you. Grab the zip line.
Kunde killen... Oh, Jesus. Quit the video nu. Genuinely, guys. Oh my fucking god. Hjälp från något. Aj, från något. Uh-oh. Oh no, okay, through.
When you're ready, Bond.
There. Upp och där här.
Moneypenny, we're in. Moneypenny?
Don't bother. The place is a giant Faraday cage. Nothing goes in or out.
Now she tells us.
The evidence is here, and we need access before they wipe the servers.
Good luck with that, boys.
What?
We should do this again sometime.
She does that.
We're here for the code white.
You're late.
Got stuck in traffic. Surprised we made it at all.
Fine. You can join the degaussing team. Come on through. Not you. Get your uniform first. Company policy.
It's the middle of the night.
Oh, I wasn't aware the rules only applied in daylight, sir.
You heard her. Perch rules. I'll wait upstairs.
Fine.
Omega team, that's us. We installed the twins.
Easy.
What was that?
Why did she let you through?
Someone stole my lab coat from my locker. I know it's against protocol, but that code white won't execute itself, will it?
Suppose not. Carry on.
Much obliged.
Okay, what have we got? Mission reports. Ours? Mali 2019. Karachi 2021. The drone strike on Sarazin, the arms dealer.
I thought that was the CIA.
So does the CIA. Bond. These are all MI6 Black Ops based on confirmed Theia data. Some of our biggest intelligence successes in the last decade. But if I'm reading this right, we were working off of false intel every single time.
Theia makes mistakes.
Theia makes mistakes.
And the reason we don't know about it
is because Webb covers it up. So it looks like every time Theia gets her wires crossed, he dispatches Damien to fix the narrative, to alter crime scenes, plant evidence, frame or eliminate witnesses, correcting the facts to fit the data. And this has been going on all the way back
since Nightfall.
to London 2014.
Oh my god. Það var allt fake.
It was a lie right from the start. There was no mole ring. Theia drew a false conclusion, so Webb made it true. He framed 009 and the others. They never betrayed anyone.
What?
You couldn't have known. Greenway. We're out of time.
James Bond. You ever phone ahead?
I know you did. You lied about everything.
You're not seeing the big picture.
Wow. De giska live tracker, så jag vet akkurat vad vi gör.
Where are you going? We need to finish this. Greenway.
You were right, Bond. I couldn't have known, but I didn't even try. I never even looked.
You're giving up. We can't let him win.
There is no we. I'm out.
Hopp, så var det ju.
Moneypenny, we need to round up.
Not here. Come on.
Þetta ekki öruggt, þetta stað fyrir að springa 100%. Þetta er enginn inn í vinnunni. Hugsa að hún þarna þá sem að segja að farin á ég.
I looped the security feeds in the lobby and the elevator. We don't have a lot of time.
No, we don't. They're wiping everything at Web HQ. We need to send a team over there right now.
Look, it's not that simple, James.
What?
We messed up. Going to Webb's. You don't do a thing like that without consequence.
Consequences for Webb.
He is a very powerful man.
What's wrong with everyone? First Greenway, now you.
Thank God, we don't have much time.
There's been a development. Sir Nicholas Webb has sent me this. In case you're wondering, it is footage of you and Greenway assaulting Web HQ. Two of my agents rogue on British soil.
That doesn't change the fact that...
It changes everything. He is accusing you of terrorism. He CC'd half the cabinet. As we speak, there are arrest orders with your names on them working their way through the system, and my future's not looking much brighter.
Oh, we just have to show them what we found.
Oh, God, don't be so naive. It's one thing that you broke into Web HQ. It's another that you got caught, but leaving without proof? You couldn't have botched this any worse had you tried.
But you're not handing me in.
Of course I'm not. I'm sending you on a black op to collect the irrefutable proof we need to bring down the Webbs. I am putting a lot of trust in you. Don't you dare disappoint me. Moneypenny, go and finish the mission brief. Bond, you go and see Q. You're dismissed.
What about there? It's obviously compromised.
This mission is strictly off the record, so we can't use it anyways.
MI6 needs to shut it down right now.
And then what? Em needs to play her part and aid in apprehending her rogue agents.
And Thea will assist.
Yes. However, I'm taking a few pages out of 009's playbook. I've already set up hundreds of breadcrumb trails for rogue agent James Bond on the run. That should buy us some time. The trip booked a year ago. No one will suspect a thing.
Luxury resort, you say? Sounds awful.
So, we know Damien is heading to Vietnam. We've managed to figure out his destination. The exclusive resort, the Pearl. According to his social media, St. John Smythe was really looking forward to his stay. But unfortunately for him, he bears a striking resemblance to you. And some odd mix-up with the permit for his private jet is now delaying his takeoff. I dare say he will stay grounded until you send word it's safe to clear up this misunderstanding.
The Pearl.
That might take some time.
Actually, it might. Without Thea, you're in for some good old-fashioned spy work. Tis Benjamin Quan.
Quan. I read about him, I think. Some kind of green energy pioneer?
Full marks. Neutrino-voltaic energy research. Sadly, he died last month in Singapore under ambiguous circumstances. 3 weeks later, a solar geoengineering specialist died in Orlando, Florida. Circumstances equally ambiguous.
Dare say a pattern emerges.
Indeed. Thea flagged these seemingly unconnected deaths as consistent with the MO of an elusive terrorist, Caliban, a rabid extinctionist who believes that mankind is a cancer on the planet that needs to be purged.
Sounds delightful. Safe to say this Caliban is not too keen on scientific progress. What's it got to do with Webb?
Here's the kicker. According to Interpol, Caliban's charred remains were recovered from a Mexican landfill. And according to forensics, he's been dead for months. Now, if this is true...
It means Thea made another blunder.
Another ghost pattern, yes. We believe Damien is in Vietnam to cover up this latest mistake. Likely, he plans to stage a copycat killing, making it look like Caliban is very much alive and kicking.
Confirming Thea's original conclusion. Who's the target?
I'm afraid we don't know. That part is up to you.
I think I'm going to enjoy this place. What is it?
Just open it. Q-Track, a smart bug, designed to protect assets in the field.
That's new.
Once inside the bloodstream, it tracks location, heart rate, and vital signs for up to 24 hours, before it's then broken down by the body.
And the glasses?
Q glasses. They see everything, recording it back here at MI6.
So you see what I see?
Yep. I get to live vicariously through you for the next 20 years.
Why?
Once you get eyes on the potential targets, I can confirm it's them through the glasses.
Wonderful.
Pop them on.
Oh. Yes, I am this handsome.
Hang on. Ah, yeah. That ego of yours is fogging up the lens.
I doubt you'll have too much trouble doing that in the Emperor.
Tell me you're not checking out.
I'm being upgraded, actually.
Of course you are. You must be important.
Very.
The Emperor Villa will be ready shortly. Please make yourself comfortable while you wait.
Oh, I'll do that, thank you.
I didn't catch your name.
I didn't give it.
Attractive mystery woman 1, St. John Smythe. 0. Eyes on the ledger, James.
Right, yeah. Ledger.
Expecting you. Give it a flick through, so I can get a look at names.
Sign here, please.
Got what I need. Running a check.
Enjoy your stay with us, sir.
No, you don't have to tell me twice.
Okay. Got 3 profiles that fit Caliban's MO. Ramon Hernandez, billionaire philanthropist.
Chin chin, Moneypenny.
James, something's wrong. It's Lorca. I think she's in trouble. Her heart rate's spiking and her oxygen levels are falling through the floor. Get to her suite. Now. Oh, she's... fine.
She certainly is.
Good. 1% atrás.
John?
Drinking alone was never my forte.
Well, I didn't realize you were this thirsty.
Parched, actually.
Good.
You were freediving.
Yeah, being a marine biologist comes in handy.
Oh, what's your number?
Chasing a 6 at the moment.
6? Very impressive.
People think it's all about the lounge. You seem the kind of guy who knows what he likes. So let me guess, You don't like it too sweet. You don't like it too complicated. You like it straight up.
Gang.
Audio. James. Still on. Tea time.
Geil. Fire fucking... Oh. Oj, han er livskommen, så... Skal fucking money panikker. Bytte, núna höfum ekki gleður lengur. So I want.
Feels a bit tight. You sure Q got the measurements right?
I'll be the judge of that. Put the glasses on. Let me see.
Well?
Oh, very dapper. Give us 12.
Piss off.
Aren't you missing something? The bow tie? How on earth did you make it through boarding school without tying one?
It's complicated.
Shall I get Q on the line?
Please do.
How to tie a tie?
Help me out here, would you?
Relax, Bond. It's a bow tie, not C4.
We've got this. Once I'm in the restaurant, we'll get eyes on Ramon and Ellis. You keep tabs on their movements. I'll watch over Lorca for the evening.
That's odd. Lorca, her heart rate is...
At least your body's here, gentlemen. I feel safer already.
Still a bit sore, are we?
He'll be fine. Isn't that right, Pablo?
Yes, sir.
James, I think you need to get to the Emperor Villa. Now.
Ramon, gents, enjoy your evening.
You know, they say this island...
What's got you spooked?
Lorca's heart rate's through the roof. Listen, she's not alone. Ellis White is with her. You don't think...
No, I don't. Something's wrong. Damien's SUV, where is it now?
Hang on.
Come on, Moneypenny, where is he? Where's Damien?
1 second. Looks like they've stopped. Pulling up nearby CCTV to get a better look. Shit. It's not Damien. I've been tracking the wrong SUVs.
It's quiet. Too quiet.
Damien's?
Yeah. They're here.
Be careful, James.
Uh-oh.
Hello, what's this? What's the American doing here?
Came round looking for a booty call. Didn't go the way he'd hoped.
He doesn't fit the narrative. The real Caliban never allowed for collateral damage.
Nobody's perfect.
How many times? My father is adamant that the validity of Thea's conclusion is not questioned. Are you dumb? Look at me. Are you an idiot? You make him disappear. All right? The boys in ops will patch up the loose ends. Go. And Nico, bring Lorca to the side. I think it's time we set things in motion.
Tell me you got that.
Oh, I got it all right.
Will it be enough?
It'll have to be. Now go get the girl.
Not yet. They'll kill Ellis.
You can't save them all, James.
It's just me and...
Over. This is Indigo 1. Moving target into position now. Over.
Naked.
What the hell are you doing, Smythe? You with them?
Put the bottle down, I just saved your life.
What the hell have you done with Teresa? That's for wasting a perfectly good bottle of wine.
Finally. James, Lorca's on the move. Location marked on your Q lens.
Well, this is cozy.
Oop, missed him. Oop, what? Get out, John.
My brother and I are great.
What? Holy.
Get out of here!
Þú ert á eld maður. Ég líði eins og það sé smá vandamál. Þú ert á eld. En...
Say hello to your brother for me. Yeah, I'm here.
En ekki cool.
You have me worried. Do you know where you are?
Damien's after party. Listen, I'm in a bit of a bind here.
I know. Okay, I'm working on it. Just try to buy us some time.
Já, þetta hann.
I swear, James. Do you even have an off button? Because you're starting to make the rest of us look bad.
Yeah, my work-life balance isn't great.
Let's see if we can't find an even split.
Don't be a fool, Damien. MI6 knows what you did. They always settle their scores. Or you I'd start running. It was all worth it.
Could have
We're lying down on the job again, are we, Bond?
You're late.
I know. Hold still. Now Damien's men are moving in on your position. Get to cover.
Green light.
Nothing. Okay. I guess we're doing this then.
Bond, you got a lot of company down
Oh, yeah,
there.
Jack
Still in
McHugh.
one piece? Right. Okay, here's the plan. You call them, I'll bag them. In position.
What? Yeah.
Push forward through the quarry. I'll meet you at the other end of it.
Yeah, það er sami Q-lens. En ekki Q-watch. Ok, ég get ekki lappað hana.
It was me thinking it was going to be a nice quiet evening.
Ég sé hann. Er þetta hann?
Two hostiles, you're...
Where the hell are the shots coming from?
Target's down.
Bond? Up here.
Whoa.
Not bad.
I'm not finished. I thought you said you were out. And let you have all the fun? I don't think so. Hands. And here. He won't be needing it. What's the plan? I'll take the high ground. Push forward. Corner Damien, and then we put him down.
Damien took my watch. Can you track it?
Of course. Triangulating his position for you now.
En svo hann heimskur, hann litli tók eins og eitthvað sem svo useless. En svo það ekki mjög.
It's good to be back, but we're not out of the woods just yet. Damien brought a small army with him.
Fire from all angles. They've got me pinned down. On my way.
Þegar hann sagði hann myndi alltaf keyra þetta, þá strax fatti ég myndi keyra þetta.
Come on. Not good. Not good at all. Here, take this. You hold them off while I try and get this thing moving again. Stop!
Ég ekki kært svona illa maður. Oh.
Thanks. You're hit. Just nick me. I'll be fine. I'll hold them off. Go. Find Damien's. Finished.
Oh. Ég veit þess að drepa Damien. Ég líðan svo grínum að ég fara að deyja en. Oh. Þú ert með Q-watcher.
Now what's that? A little liquid courage for what happens next.
What this? Oh no. This is so much more.
Steroids.
It's a synthetic compound. It floods the endocrine system, elevating physical and mental awareness. It makes you faster, better, stronger.
So þú þarft ekki að þú getur bara.
Show me. I thought you'd never ask.
Nej, du suckar this. Jag är sån bra lärare, visst du är genuinely suck.
You still think you can stop me, James? You are outmatched and outsmarted. Don't you see? We've been ahead of you every step of the way.
You really do love the sound of your own voice, don't you?
What now? Think, James. Think.
Oh.
No need to pull your punches, James. You don't get to do that. Enough games. This ends right now.
Oh.
You think you've won, don't you? You really did underestimate what we're capable of, James.
Nej, lyckas detta.
You think you...
Ætli þú einn sækta meiri hlutir inn að þér. Oh!
It's been fun, but I'm gonna have to break this off.
Oof. Hvernig er ekki dø?
Oh, James! James, you have such a way with words. You're hilarious!
You haven't heard the punchline yet.
Ooh. Han held áfram að tala. Just...
Easy now. I've got you.
Damien.
It's done. He's gone. Okay, up we go, old man. Let's get you patched up. I thought you said it was just a scratch.
No, the wonders of adrenaline.
Come on.
Stop.
We need to get you to a hospital.
No, James.
What do I do? I need you to tell me what to do.
Just sit for a bit. Sit and enjoy the view.
Why did you come back for me? I thought you hated heroics.
Turns out I was wrong about that. You've got heart, Bond. You're just what we need right now. I don't know why I didn't see it before.
Because you're a miserable old bastard.
There is that.
Government
Will you do
deed.
me a favor?
Anything.
Don't let it change you. Don't let it.
Is there anyone I should contact?
Oh. Ah, shit. Aliens och Greenway för dig. Han är där.
John.
Býttu svo allir sem eru ekki í bíómyndunar, þeir eru allir bara deyr. Þeir eru allir bara deyja. Ég held að það sé ekki bíómyndu, jáfnvel. James Bond mynd. Svo Kjö. 27, 3 og 49.
There is no doubt that Britain is in a highly precarious situation. If this data is corroborated, it will indeed put an enormous strain.
Attention, please, everyone. 5 minutes ago, Sir Nicholas Webb informed us that if we ignore his demands, the next leak will be bigger and a lot closer to present day. Meaning that sources, assets, and even agents will be at risk. The diplomatic hit we have already taken is irreversibly detrimental to our national security, global interests, and Great Britain's standing in the world. Bond, congratulations. Your performance in Vietnam proved beyond a doubt you'll make an excellent 00.
What are you doing? We can't let Webb get away with this.
What we do is my call. The world's not fair, Bond. I thought Greenway taught you that.
Don't bring Greenway into this.
M, we have to go. The Prime Minister's waiting.
Moneypenny debrief you, then go home and get some well-deserved rest.
Já, síðast séð eitthvað sá með það, þá var snæper að reyna að skjóta mig og tvö gæjar í herberginu og svo eiginlega það hvernig ég fattaði allt þetta sem er búin að gerast, svo ég veit ekki alveg hvort.
Immunity, after all he's done.
I'm sorry about Greenway, James, but...
Well, she's not.
She's doing her job. And she's doing it well.
And that's it. You're happy to just walk away.
No, but I also have a job to do. I wrote some code to stress test some of their safety layers, and I'm going down there now. But I can see that you're not done ranting. Come, walk with me.
Thea is a complete scam. Webb lied to MI6 for more than a decade. He started out using the 00 program as a scapegoat, destroying 009 and Greenway's lives. Cressida and the other recruits dead or maimed. Monroe. And now he's leaking top secret intel to the press, and we're just letting him get away with it. But how the hell has it come to this?
He's been one step ahead all along. There's a sixth sense, I swear.
He doesn't need one. He's monitoring his own tech, and we've let him.
Step inside, will you?
Actually, we are certain that he hasn't. 2 full sweeps and a third one concluding as we speak. Thea isn't and never was compromised.
Didn't go the way he'd hoped.
He doesn't fit the narrative. The real Caliban never allowed for collateral damage.
Nobody's perfect.
How many times? My father is adamant that the validity of Thea's conclusion is not questioned. Are you dumb? Look at me. Are you an idiot?
Come on, Moneypenny. We saw it at Web HQ, and Damien pretty much confirmed it.
Nevertheless, no breach has ever occurred.
Explain to me how they could have a whole department at Web Industries dedicated to sifting out Thea's mistakes if they didn't have a live feed of everything Thea ever delivered. We didn't make that up, Moneypenny.
What can I say? Unless Webb has some quantum entangled mirror computer, it's just not possible.
Hang on. Hyperion. That's gotta be it.
What?
It was something Damien said. In Greek mythology, Hyperion is Thea's brother and consort. That makes perfect sense.
No, it doesn't. Tech like that is sci-fi, doesn't exist. Probably never will.
Yeah, but what if it did? What would you have to do to eliminate the threat?
If it were that simple, destroy or remove the core. You'd render the quantum cloud meaningless.
Wait, you're not actually buying any of this, are you?
What if it's true, though? We can make this whole thing disappear.
But it's not. Okay. And I am with them on this. We have no choice but to give in. Even if we had solid intel, a gamble like that would be reckless, beyond any sense. It'd go against MI6's very reason to exist. It would be high treason. So you won't do anything stupid.
Of course not. I'm not an idiot.
Promise me, James.
Cross my heart.
Fuck, nigger.
Sorry, Moneypenny. This idiot's about to rob Cube up.
Yeah.
Bond.
I just wanted to check in. Where is everyone?
I sent them all home. Come, join me. Don't do it.
What?
Blame yourself. I knew him for 25 years, and what came after Operation Nightfall changed him. He slipped into darkness. Never could find his way out until you came along. The first light in more than a decade.
The first light!
And he came back. More alive than ever. And thanks to you, he went out with a bang, and not with a whimper.
Nota bjórið til þess að eyðileggja
Don't
Thea.
forget to turn out the lights when you leave.
To get the Hyperion, I'll need an edge. A new watch. Pistol. Whatever else Q's got lying around.
Hello, James.
I wondered if you'd made it out alive.
With the 7 kinds of hell you raised, I practically walked out the front door.
Happy to be of assistance. What do you want?
Get to Webb, same as you.
Webb's finished. Disgraced and on the run. What makes you think I care?
Please, don't kidder.
Let's hear it.
It's simple. You know where he is. I have the means to get us there.
And I don't.
Nice try, James. But we both know you're about to burn all bridges. Besides, I already know he's somewhere in the Antarctic Circle. So unless you plan to join a whaling crew, I'm your best shot. I pinned the location. We leave in 24 hours. Bring your trunks.
Well, when one door closes...
Annar opnar. Solo, leave MI6 as a rogue agent. Wow.
What's this?
Vodka martini. Shaken, not stirred.
What's the difference?
I want what I want, James.
Shut your fucking mouth!
Yappari 1時間ください.
What? Wow, esse filme. Oh, 2 FPS. Let's go. 2 FPS. Oh, ég sjá hvað er að gerast. Orðegar. Laka leikið minn. Oh, núna eru hvít. What?
A client of mine runs a crypto vault out of an old nuclear bunker in the Hindu Kush. I
the
figure normal is
crypto.
a spectrum. Would you mind?
Er þetta í alveg fyrir að hrónleika hela tíman? Yes. Huh? Wave of the future.
What exactly are we breaking into?
How?
Food Industries' fabled R&D facility, called the greatest breakthrough developed right here. Cheap?
Optic camouflage, self-heating
Wow.
smart fabric. A compliment.
Gauð, ég tók burkin Firefox. Immediate fucking FPS komið
Eyes on
tilbaka.
the bad guys.
Fyrst. What? What the f***? Ég er bara að fara á undan hana. Ég veit alveg hvað við erum að
Cable
fara.
car station's up ahead.
Steep climb. Sentries?
Expect so.
Reach the lower platform. I see a way in. There are guards up ahead.
Well, comms are down. We contain it quickly and they won't be able to reach the alarm. You take the one on the right. I'll take the one on the left.
Deal.
Hell, everyone's on edge. Diving unit went out this morning chasing them.
It wasn't necessary.
Means to an end. You're no good to me dead, James.
I would have handled it my way.
Yeah, well, mine is faster. I'll meet you uptown.
Já, nota silenced pistols. Getið þið fyrir, myndið bara sjá byssu mína. Ó, já, það tók burt byssu mína. Ó, já, ég sé hana.
So far, so good. Next stop, cable car.
It's not a ski resort. We'll need... Found a couple of newcomers and relieved them of their ID bracelets.
Oh, who knew spycraft involved so much petty theft?
St. Vincent, Nanomechanics Department. Security level 1. Please proceed. Scanning. David Somerset, Robotics Department. Security level 1. Please proceed.
What?
We need to get our bearings. That service robot looks friendly enough.
When in Rome.
Scanning ID. Greetings, David Somerset. Senior Test Engineer, Robotics Department. Where is your tracking chip? I do not detect a signal.
Tracking chip?
Company policy. You should have received the implants on the plane.
Ah, must have missed it. Spent most of the trip in the bathroom. Nervous flyer.
Very well. I have notified legal. Someone will be in touch. Now, how may I assist you?
Where can I find Hyperion?
In the annals of Greek mythology.
Smart ass.
Strange. Your face does not match the picture in our database. You are not David Somerset. Stay put while I notify...
Right. I'm going to
Thank God.
operations. You should too.
You think Hyperion will be at the command center?
If not, it's your best chance of locating it.
Nothing more. Your loyalty is moving. So what if it's true? It's establishment, or is it in provision? James Frank.
Oh. Nearly a second one.
There you are.
James, you might want to see this.
What are we looking at?
Predictive analytics. That's a neural network tree. Watch.
It's a roadmap.
Yeah, for overthrowing the British government in as few moves as possible. Looks like with Thea offline, Webb was finally free to use his mirror machine to his own gain. You really outdone yourself this time, James.
I have to get down there.
James Bond. We meet again.
We do?
Roger Finch, Chief Legal Officer.
Oh, right. Elevator guy.
Roger Finch, Chief Legal Officer.
This guy ekki fucking Chief Legal Officer.
I'm sure this is all a big joke to you. Don't move. I will shoot.
Lítur út eins og gert ekki fyrir gæt.
It's Finch. James Bond is here. I've got him poking about in operations. Sound the alarm.
Oh, nej, gæt. Já, vissi það. Það er tíminn til að sofa. Eða ekki, það brotnaði fyrir mig. Bara þessu gæt. Nei, ok, aðeins fleiri. Wow.
Hello, gorgeous. Okay. Remove the core. Stop the leak.
Mr. Bond. Predictably unpredictable. Have you come for my other son?
Maybe this one you'll actually care about.
Not so fast. Health monitoring device. Like all tech, its purpose can be redirected. Such as dumping every last bit of MI6 data the moment that my heart stops beating.
Takk af úrið. Sitt á þig.
I don't have to kill you to stop you.
Go on then. Risk it. Not so easy when you have so much to lose, is
Hann
it?
gæti bara dreipið sig sjálfan svo... Já, það ekki svona að gera það, hann gæti bara gert...
What did you do? You gave me your word.
You really should know by now, James. My word means nothing. I've most likely pierced the abdominal aorta. He doesn't have long. I'd keep the old ticker going if I were you.
Whatever happens, stop her. Don't let them have Hyperion.
Your parents' murder. Just another lie.
Oh, what can I say? I know my audience. This is business. Always was. The only reason I let you get this far is because you make for such wonderful distractions.
Hann er við byssu, svo
Good luck,
veist.
James. I really do mean it.
Já, núna, taktu byssuna. Ja, allt of seint. Allt of seint. Eða, ok. Oh.
Money penny.
James, where are you? I've been trying to...
I was right about Hyperion. Webb's dead. I stopped the leak, but Isola escaped with the core. You need to send in the cavalry.
Okay.
It'll be too late.
no. Thank you. Ja. Så alla är mycket skott annars. Har du kul skott på dig? Skott. Okej. Tombrakorv.
Faster! If she reaches that sub!
Okay, good. Okay, bro. My God, bro.
There. She's going for the boat. Oh no, you don't. Not this time.
Tack för båten.
Gisela! Don't make me.
You won't. Let it go, James.
Oh.
Oh, look at you. Whole house broken. What a waste. They won't take you back, you know? You will rot in a cell and leave nothing behind but a blackened file.
Mrs. Bond, the threat is neutralized. I could use a ride. +1.
The writing is on the wall. Catch ice.
He insists he was working alone. No assistance from anyone MI6.
What about the girl? What does he have to say about her?
A means to an end. He needed a ride.
Who just happened to offer at the most convenient time. No one's that naive.
He saw her as a calculated risk.
He got more than he bargained for. What's our take on her?
We have none. Or 1,000. Nothing adds up.
Well, surely you must be able to tell me something about her.
Well, so far, she's manipulated all our screenings and biometrical analysis, only breaking a sweat when she means to. The fact that we have nothing on her is perhaps the most telling thing of all. Someone has gone to great lengths to make her what she is and cover their tracks. We have no clue whatsoever who she's working for. Can't help but wish it was us.
Well, it's not. That is the one thing we know about her.
Blir de i fängelse en tyst? Good. Release. Yeah. Fight.
Are you coming?
Get out of my way!
Give them hell, James.
Pleasure.
MI6. Tessigar.
I hear something.
Like MI6. Must be a whole new breed of crazy.
Jag älskar lite
Don't try to move. Who's doing this?
Don't know. The lockdown was triggered.
reached Red Zephyr.
Why won't you die?
I'll be right with you.
Took you long enough.
Em, listen to me. I've no part in this.
No need. I just watched you take down a handful of intruders. I'm not sure which side you're on, Bond, but it's clearly not theirs.
How did this happen?
You need an earpiece. The man you just fought was tuned into our frequency on the way.
Það mjög gott að hann tók eyrudrasl frá okkur. Það mjög gott.
You'll need all the help you can get.
Thank you, Mom.
She was reviewing the security feeds. The hostiles are taking out the cameras. They're heading down.
Towards Thea. Yes, I've noticed that too.
That's gotta be it. Moneypenny's gone to protect the core.
Good girl.
What's the fastest way there?
Stairs are out of the question. Give me a moment. I'll plot a way down.
What did M go?
Down to me now.
Ja, sick. Okay, I ætla að flög in. Okay.
Right floor. About to enter. Heading out.
See you on the other side.
Þetta faðir hans.
James.
Þetta Damien.
Oh, James, I was hoping that you'd try and save the day. Tell me.
Ooh.
Tell me. How do you like the new look?
Þetta alveg mjög cool.
You grew a spine. Well done. You sobbing. You're killing me. Come here. You've had quite the run, haven't you? My father, dead. The truth out. My legacy, my inheritance, all gone. All except for good old Thea here, eh? Luckily, I had a host of buyers already lined up. Each one more unsavory than the last.
Okay.
And it's all thanks to you. How does it feel, James? How does it feel to really make a difference?
James.
It's all right. Do what he says. Go on. Do what James tells you. Take it and go. I'm told my father died in your arms. It's not fair, you know. Hogging all the fun. Moneypenny, don't move. I'm gonna stabilize the bleeding.
James.
On! Shoo! She's bleeding out.
Okay, I've got her now. I've got her. Damien's only escape is through the tunnels. I've slowed him down, but it's up to you to stop him. Whatever it takes, Bond. Here, take this. It's a special edition. It's the master key to the lab. Unlocks the entire arsenal.
No offense, Q, but I'll need more than a man in a couch.
We have the Valhalla. It's the only thing with enough firepower. Get the keys from my coat and wearables. Now go! While there's still time. The watch will guide your way.
I like. Famous last words.
Hey! Eyes on it!
Start searching.
Hope I'm not too late.
Time! It's solid steel. Going as fast as I can. Everyone get ready to clear out! It's fun! Cut him down!
We have unlocked visitors.
So we do. How about we show them some English hospitality?
Certainly.
Smokescreen, oil slick, sonic cannon. Flamethrower. Activate flamethrower.
Flamethrower not applicable.
Damn it. What about missiles?
Missiles. Full stock.
All right.
Here we go!
Arming missiles. 12% complete. Stand by.
Oh, come on! Activate machine guns.
1%.
Machine guns armed and ready to fire.
Oh.
Yes! Now we're talking!
Voice analysis complete. You are not Q. You are Bond. James.
You got me!
How did he die?
Q? It's fine, why?
He said he would let you drive me over his dead body.
Well, desperate times.
Þessi bíll crazy good.
I don't see Damien.
That would be him.
Should I worry?
Short of an ICBM. You're quite safe inside.
What's he doing? The door's stuck.
I'll raise a ticket with tech support.
Not helping.
Nei, hann mun hjálpa oss. Allir en ekki opna dyrnar bara fyrir okkur. Verður góð ekki.
That is a nasty dent, James. I do hope you have insurance. Sit tight.
Munnurinn að fara fram hjá grímu þína. Þú ert ekki til.
What's wrong, James? You can't keep up. I'm waiting.
Takk fyrir.
Over here.
Alls ekki, en það bara skuggiðinn, sko. Ég veit ekki alveg hvað þú ert. Þú ert ekki til.
Hurry up, James. The clock is ticking.
Þú ert mjög næs að láta mig
Too slow. Tell me, James. How long can you hold your breath?
Ætlu
The class. Well, congratulations.
gasa mig.
You get to die last.
Hey!
What the hell is he up to?
Ég fengi hugmynd. En hann sakkar því, ég er búinn að brótast frá því nema hann ætla að gasa. Hann er ekki búinn að klirfa upp allt þetta shit á meðan hann er í þetta feita ass ármargur.
Good God, James. You must have a death wish. Well, I'm only happy to oblige.
Bulletproof, það nice.
You'll need to pack more punch than that. Better run.
Gadgets are down. Some kind of jamming tech. Gadgets are useless.
Oh shit, þú ert með haglabyssu. Nei, getur hægt að skjóta mig, þetta er ekki mjög nice.
Gonna need to blow them up.
Really, James? Stop hiding. It's beneath you.
It's working. Stay close.
Oh!
Right. That worked. Jammers down, gadgets are back. Now to wreak some havoc. Come on, stay low, keep moving, use the environment. You got this.
Oh, ég ætla að púta upp byssu mína, þú veist alveg. Hann, ég hef hugmynd, komdu.
Blast her the suit. One more hit should do it. That hurt.
Oh, þetta var vont. Oh fuck, ég voru að gera þetta.
Stay low, keep moving, use the environment. You got this.
The fuck is...
Come out, James!
Þú sé... Ertu fucking blindur? Halviti, hér!
Now, while he's down.
Oh. Þetta undir?
Bombs. You're flooding the tunnels. You're gonna kill everyone. Bang on! There's enough water in this reservoir to turn MI6 underground into a fish tank. By the time they sort out what's transpired, I'll be long gone. Gotta find a way to damage him. First sentry gun should do it. Are you sure you brought enough firepower? I had to get a riprap away! And you're gonna stop me? No need. Kill yourself just to get to me. You don't have it in you.
Ooh.
Well, you got me pegged. The truth is, you have set me free, James. I've never felt so alive. Best go out on a high then. Stay down! What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go home when I'm home free. Just lie back and accept defeat. Nothing to be ashamed of. Lord knows you tried. Why do you keep on fighting?
Þú veist, vandukall.
They locked you up. You owe them nothing.
Oh shit.
It's end of the line, James. You have failed everyone around you. Your parents, your mentor, your friends. Even for all your blood, you couldn't save a single one. And now you will die. Unknown, unloved, and free.
Ja, ja. Það mun
Your strength is your youth, just use it and follow the music play. Promise you'll never change. Can't say I'm surprised to see you running towards the sun, like I'm up to a flame. People try and stop you, all the fates just watch you, blind just to know that you're like the game.
Åh nej, hon ville lige tage hende fra. Nej, hun tók mig. Ég veit ekki af hvernig hún tók mig, skiljiðs. Það er ekki eins og ég segi James Bond, en... Hvað ætlum hún að gera með þegar bara... Nota... eins og þegar sökkar, svo ég veit ekki af hverju fólk myndi vel nota. King and Country to FM MI6. Okkur ég alltaf sagði fucking remember you fucking shame James Bond, ég var í svona what?
The service was beautiful. I particularly enjoyed the bagpipes and rifle salute.
Yes. Well, Webb was a national treasure. Nothing less would do.
It doesn't feel right, does it?
Spies live and die in the dark, Bond. You want medals? Join the Olympics. In case you're wondering, all charges against you have been dropped.
Bright's a reasonable man.
Bright's a survivor. We came to an understanding. I testify that all he's guilty of is keeping bad company. He gets off my back and doubles our budget. Everybody wins. Congratulations. I suppose this makes you 001.
It wouldn't be right. Actually, Mom, I thought since I was the 7th recruit.
Happens to be my lucky number. Just don't tell anyone.
It's not over, you know. Someone pulled me out of that water and made off with Thea. There's only one person it can be.
There's an unseen hand operating in the shadows, playing a game we know nothing about. How that is even possible keeps me awake at night. Perhaps you'd be so kind as to do some digging. 007.
Mom, I thought you'd never ask.
Nah. Er hann fara að gera enda? James Bond will return. Okay. Því það er líka annar leik. Kannski. Já, við klárum leikinn, svo takk allavega fyrir að horfa á þennan vídeo. Ég mun sjá ykkur næsta sem ég geri, ég fucking veit ekki hvað það sé að gera.